How to see who shared your Instagram reel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, open up your Instagram application on your device. Then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the section. Then tap on the reel that you want to see who have shared. So I'm here tapping on this reel. I want to see who have shared this. So tap on the three dotted lines at the top of the screen. And here you can find the option of view story reshares. You can see this option. So just tap on it and you can see who has shared the reel. So tap on the reel yet again, and here you can see the profile of the person who has shared your reel. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.